Hello there and welcome. In this tutorial we're going to be looking at creating moving geometry. So there's a few different types of moving geometry. We've got a piston type, or we can move our container, which is the tank. So we're going to look at the piston type first. So we're going to go to the motion configure. We're going to set motion to true. We're going to click on the arrow on the right hand side of create new. And we're going to click on regular wave generator piston. We also have a regular wave generator, and we can also import a linear motion from a file. So if we click on regular wave generator piston, and we'll just click OK. What this will do is it will create waves that look similar to this one. I'll just get an example up quickly. Okay, so this is the style of waves that having this particular case will give us. Sorry, let's get those to show. There we go. So you can see we have just regular waves. So this is what our regular wave generator motion will create. So if we go back into FreeCAD, we're now going to look at a different type of motion. So we're just going to get rid of this one and make it so our piston isn't moving anymore. And we're going to look at having our tank move. So we're going to look at a sloshing tank example. So if we set true here, we're going to click on create new this time because it's going to be custom. We're going to name this sloshing tank. For more information on this, there is a project video for sloshing tank. So we're going to add a sinusoidal rotational motion. And we'll just make this a bit bigger so you can actually see what's being put in. There we go. And we're going to put in the limits for our motion. So this is what our motion moves from and to. And we're defining the frequency and the amplitude at the same time, and the duration. So if we click OK here, okay. Now what this will do is create a motion similar to this. So if we open up this VTK from a previous one, you can see the kind of movement that we will get when we have our domain moving. Something like this. There are plenty of other types of motion available. I recommend just having a little play around with them and seeing what works, to be honest. But thank you very much for watching. If you have any further questions, please use the DualSPHysics forum or contact us at DualSPHysics@gmail.com.